Good morning, everybody, and this is your Dow Jones setups for today. So the bob wire continues. We did have a massive pin bar and then a tail to the upside. So this zone that is flirting with 38,961, as you can see it's above and below this level, is still something which obviously is of some interest to the institutions. Oscillator's not giving us any help on the 8 hour. When we drop down to the 3 hour, we're in amongst the slower moving averages, starting to flatten out, starting to look like a range, and this is still very much the situation. There's our channel. Sorry, not range, channel. So I'm very reluctant at the moment. Could be a break and then a move to the downside. That is possible. Although on the 3 hour, we'd want to be below moving averages before we start looking at that. And if we look at it on the hour, you're going to find that those moving averages have crossed over. There we go. And we're just hovering here on the 150 EMA moving averages, and then the oscillators are starting to group as well. Difficult to read into it. Big down, big up, big down. That's pretty much the model of the last couple of days. So I'd be very skeptical of any move, to be honest, on this, whether it's the downside or the upside. So, there's a little bit better structure on the S&P when you're looking at the US markets right now. And it's just because there's so much of the tech stocks in the S&P, and that's where the volatility is right now, is on the NASDAQ. But I look at this on the 15 minutes, drift down, buyers come in, don't know what to do, above and below the moving averages, back below. So, we could fall. There is a nice juicy magnet, which is a gap at 38,876. And I think, I just want to check, I can't remember if there's another one there. So that is at 38,792. So that's kind of your magnets to the downside. So there is a possibility for that move to the downside, but I'm very hesitant to be jumping in short at the moment. The overall trend is still very much to the upside. This is also a strong area of support where you can see the buyers coming in. So the probability of us getting down into this space, I mean, never say never, but personally, I think it's, how do I put it? I don't think it's something we need to worry about. We've also got diversions here. So swing low, current swing low, oscillators lower than what they were there. So, move up, pull back, consolidation, continuation to the upside is the textbook way of looking at it. And I suspect we just need to wait for the markets to open, and then we'll know better. At the moment, this is driven by some chaos in China. So China's data versus what their growth targets are doesn't really align as far as the institutions are concerned. Anyway, that's kind of the view. So for me, this is a sit on hands. Until we get some structure and we stay above the moving averages, it's pointless trying to second guess this. So I will sit on the sides for this, not really chase this at the moment. We will wait for a better structure. So there is better opportunities on the DAX and the S&P. So watch those videos. You'll have much better opportunities for some trades there. Anyway, this is a sit on hands for me, not looking at it. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow. Cheers for now.